CapCut always automatically updates new versions to help users experience better. But for some reason you prefer to use the old version free, this video will help you.
Today, I'm revealing the secret to help all CapCut users access the old version for free. It's super easy and 100% free.
Choose the older, free versions that you like. After downloading, let's begin the installation as usual. This is the version you selected. But then it will automatically update to the new version. Now let's take a closer look to get ready to use the older, free version. Here you will see the old version you selected and the new version that CapCut automatically updates to. These steps are very important. You should follow the instructions carefully. I can't explain why, but I'm sure that if you follow these instructions correctly, the result will be successful. This is the older, free version you installed previously. This is the latest automatic update of CapCut. Now you can point this shortcut to the taskbar for use. I wish you success, and if you find this interesting and helpful, please like and share.